Hello and welcome to WordPress Tip of the Week. This is week number 20. In this video, we're going to go over how you can remove unneeded fields in your checkout in WooCommerce. Sometimes you really don't need some fields. For example, say you're selling something and you're not really selling to companies, you're selling to individuals. You can actually remove this for company name. And say, for example, another thing you could do is say you're only selling domestically where they don't even have to choose this. You can actually remove country. And if you didn't need a phone, for example, you could remove the phone, or you could actually remove ship to a different address and order notes. You can remove basically any field you want. And it's very simple to do in WooCommerce. So that's what we're going to do. And I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Okay, as a bit of reference here, one good thing with WooCommerce is they have a lot of documentation. So in this particular link, if you scroll down, here are the list of the fields that are passed to WooCommerce checkout. Here's all your billing fields. Here's all your shipping fields, your account fields, and your order fields. Now you use these in your functions PHP file to remove them. Now when you remove something in your functions PHP file, you call it unset. You're actually unsetting the value. And the proper command is unset and then parentheses fields, because what you're doing is you're using a hook for WooCommerce checkout fields. Okay, so it's looking for this WooCommerce checkouts field within the checkout.php file, and then what it's doing is it's applying this function called custom override checkout. And then what it does is it takes the fields, all the fields, which are all these, and then whichever ones you unset, it's going to remove. Now in this case, here's order and then order comments. So as you can see, you have order and then order comments. So if you wanted to remove, say, billing first name, you'd have to change this to billing, and then in this box, billing underscore first underscore name. And you can remove as many or as little as you want. So really the easiest thing to do is basically, let's just copy this entire function right here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go into cPanel and then into File Manager, Public HTML, WP Content, Themes, your child theme, and now we're going to edit functions.php. Okay, so let's go all the way to the bottom here. Hit enter a few times, give a little bit of space. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a remark here for unsetting checkout fields. Okay. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to paste in what we copied. And now let's go over to our checkout and let's see which fields we're going to remove. So why don't we do this? Why don't we remove company name, and we can remove, say, phone, and then in the ship to section, we can actually remove everything, and then we can remove order notes. So in other words, if you expand on this, all this will be gone. We're going to remove all of it. Okay, so let's go back over to our reference page. And now for shipping, we have to take all these, and then we already have order comments in here because we copied it over. Okay, and then we have to get billing company and then billing phone. So probably the easiest way to do it is to do it like this. let's copy it here. And we're gonna put in some spaces here. Okay. And then we're gonna go and we're gonna copy billing company. And then paste it. And then we're going to copy billing phone. And paste it. And then we already have the order comments. Okay, so now everything for billing starts with billing. So it's unset fields, billing, and then billing company, unset fields, billing, and then billing phone. And just like for shipping, unset fields, shipping, shipping first name, unset fields, shipping, shipping last name, and so on. So let's go ahead and do that. So the easiest way to do that is we can go just like this. Copy this part. Actually, we can copy it right from here to here. Okay, and now we have to close this up. So we're going to have, you know what, I'm going to copy all the rest of this, and then we're going to fill in the second half of it. Just because I don't want to do a lot of typing here. Okay, so for billing company, remember it's billing, so we're going to copy this. Actually, we forgot that's the only thing bad when you do this. Sometimes if you forget something, you're going to get an error. As you can see, the red X lets you know that, hey, something's wrong here, silly. Okay, so what we're going to do is we'll start from here. Copy shipping first name into here. And then we'll change this to last name. All right, and I tell you what, just to save time here, I will pause the video and let me finish all this, and I will be right back in a split second. Okay, so we're back here. So I made everything nice and pretty, and I grouped it. So we're unsetting in billing, billing company, billing phone, and then all the shipping, and then the order comments. So I already saved it. So now let's go back to our checkout page, and when we refresh, a lot of this should be gone. Okay, as you can see, billing company was right here. It's gone. There's no more billing phone. That's gone. And now ship to a different address. This is just a header. So basically, you can get rid of this with CSS. Same thing with the checkbox. But you see, if you click on the checkbox, there's nothing showing. So all of that is gone, as well as order comments, which were right down here. So as you can see, this is an easy way to tidy things up. Especially this comes in handy when you're doing, say, for example, like memberships, or you're selling something virtual like an ebook, where basically all you need is maybe their first, last name, and email. With unsetting, you can remove everything that you don't need. Well, that wraps up this week's WordPress tip of the week. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I invite you to like the video and also subscribe to our channel, because all new subscribers at the end of each month will be put in a drawing for a free WordPress course. So be sure to subscribe and be sure to tell a friend about our channel here. And until next week, take care. Bye.